Hey everybody, thanks for watching my channel, The Farm. Today I want to talk about mountain money, aka toilet paper. Especially when you're backpacking or you don't have a lot of room to store it, you know, it's bulky. These new little compressed wipes made by Survivor. Biodegradable, unscented, hyperallergenic. Just add water, so it's pretty cool. And you just drop that in there like that. Wait just a couple seconds. It starts to swell up. And you unfold. It's a nice, strong rag. You can fit a ton of these in your backpack, and one would probably do the job. Another thing I like about them is they're moist, so it's a little more sanitary, I think. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope it helps out. Hope you guys find some. You can get them on Amazon. Probably a lot more places on the old interweb, or you can go to their website, Surviveware. Yeah, it's a great product. I think for 200 of them, it was like a little over 20 bucks. But I think they're great, and I didn't know about them until just recently, so I figure I'd share it with everybody else. Okay guys, have a good day.